like to take a few minutes to give you a perspective on our sectoral thoughts, and this is at a very broad level. For the coming year, just given the underlying view that we have on interest rates, the earnings pickup, and the fact that the macro economy will also improve, the clear-cut sector for us in terms of being overweight and being positive is banking and financial services. That's also the largest part of the index weight, and we're overweight as far as our funds are concerned. Valuations in that segment generally we think are still reasonable, and we think the earnings growth prospects, both short term as well as long term, from the banking sector are fairly positive. Besides that, consumer discretionary is another area that we're looking at. We're a little more stock specific within that because we are seeing a bit of a rural slowdown this year, but that will be partly balanced by a pickup in urban consumption. But to the extent that interest rate sensitive sectors are linked to consumption, we're quite positive on some of those. So automobiles, for instance, is one of the key sectors in that category. What we're a little underweight on at the moment are global cyclicals, because we do see global growth being fairly modest, and just given the volatility that we're expecting in global markets, we think some of these global cyclicals might also be a little volatile in the short run. But nonetheless, I think there will be opportunities that present themselves from time to time. Now, all of this is obviously with the caveat that finally it's the stocks that you select that make all the difference. Sector views are important, but up to a point. I think our stock selection will be the key factor to really focus on. So I'd urge you to look into our monthly fact sheets and do highlight anything if you feel it's worth commenting on. But I think that will really be the focus as far as our fund managers are concerned and our funds are concerned, and with the underlying biases towards some of the sectors that I've mentioned to you. So with that, thank you very much. Look forward to a very happy investing year, and wish you and your loved ones a great year ahead. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.